So, you think Super Mario and Falcons are just gonna rush it?
First, para kay Super Mario. Especially the moment ng Hardy tsaka yung keyboard na together. And the behavior which happens to be plays. So, he will be on the first pick. Alam mo, pwede yung bulot first pick eh. I can see it. Especially yung basta ako yung keyboard pa plus Hardy together. That's okay.
So they on it? They should first pick it now and get the crowd, or do you mean like we're playing in the red one?
For game day. They will go for the Marcelo. They have a lot of options kaya para sa usually. So, we go parang dito sa Falcons sa sakali. Pero, hindi na kasi hindi na rin so yung kasali, for example, up against the Marcel, para meron kang two damage option to eventually take out and go back Marcel.
Alright, so the Marcel gone, Valentine is gone to I'm really think there's ambitious for going for this Marcel first. You mentioned the Gwen, I agree with that. I think Claude should be busted. It's tough to play the Harry, maybe Marcel, and usually you can expect the Marcel and Harry for to play together maybe later this Ranger if they want the first. So you hardly they want all those moments. Well, you're gonna rush. I've been kind of hearing there about good first place priorities.
Yeah. But at the same time, flexible pa rin naman yan at all flowers were as both ingredients. And medyo hindi discreet nila na magkasabi na think on the time. However, meron pa rin yung suyo. I mean, sino yung pwede gumawa ng suyo plus Harry, which I think has no drawback dito sa first place. Dahil na, alam nila na predictable eh. Like, Congress Harry is a matchup na parang active even the late stage tapos sobrang nag-reactivate. And then of course, two damage against this the board pa rin. Interesting. Lucian Marcel is not the best energies to lalo na kay Lord Pag-Led Conservation. I'm curious what the audit really wants to make with this.
Went for individually strong lane domination, but then together offered you.
Oo, di ba? Parang ano lang, malakas na talaga sila. Huwag mo na isipin yung combo, and si individually malakas na talaga sila mag-play kasi yung idea nito para sa audit. The Falcons, they have a choice to go for the way to which they pair up with the front. Typically, meron kung may lead, dapat ka mag-suyo na lang din sila dito. Ako mag-game for the board.
I think I'm a little more for this. Because when you're against the Marcel, get less up. So yeah, the Suyo comes out. Okay, I'm going to feel about it, but I feel like it's just get up to the football already. When we look at the XP,
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, we're back. So, kill this match. Yeah, I'm letting go wrong. Looking at the XP hurts when you want to be able to do this. At least with the rotation of
para meron sila din pag-set-up eventually na pwede talaga opportunity. Tapos meron ng vision doon. At yung Arlon na although wala siya parang starting combo, that remains the chance pag-set-up siya na dito para sa set of Arlon.
So we're looking for big setups here. DXP and Gold still on the docket for honor or the bigger DXP.